In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location in Indeed, a popular job search platform. Adjusting your location settings can significantly impact your job search results and help you find opportunities that are tailored to your preferences. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can navigate this process smoothly. To begin, you will need to access your Indeed dashboard. Once you are logged in, look for your profile or account icon. You can usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings. This is where you can manage preferences like your email address, phone number, and yes, your location. Something we're focusing on today. Now that you've opened the account settings drop-down, you'll notice there's a greater than sign or arrow next to your personal information. This is typically located under sections that include your email, phone number, and your address details. Clicking on this arrow will expand the section, revealing more detailed settings that you can adjust. Once you have expanded your settings, start scrolling down until you come across the section labeled Country. This section is key because changing the country can filter potential job opportunities to more relevant listings based on geographical location. It's this section that holds the option to choose where you want to search for jobs geographically. Here's where it gets particularly important. Click on the drop-down menu next to the Country label. A list of countries will appear. This list includes all the locations where Indeed operates and can show localized job postings. Select the country that best suits your current job search needs by simply clicking on it. This update will refine your search results in the future to show jobs situated in your selected region. Once you've selected your desired country, it's crucial to save your changes. Look around the settings page for a Save button. It's usually located at the bottom of the settings page. Clicking this button will ensure that your changes take effect. Without saving, any adjustments you've made will be lost once you navigate away from this page. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your location settings on Indeed, aligning them with the region where you want to focus your job search. This small but significant change helps tailor your search results, bringing you one step closer to landing the job that's right for you. Make sure to check back regularly and update your preferences as needed, especially if your geographical focus changes over time. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your job search journey.